Right, question 7, part I. 10 to 7 times 10 to the 2. The answer is 10 to the, come on, speak. 10 to the 9. We'll go on to VII. So minus 5 over minus 5, and we've got a 10 and a 3. What's the answer here? Minus 5 to the power of 7. Subtract 10 minus 3.
So you did the first two.
Yes, I know. So much you didn't even bother to do any of them. So e squared bracket squared. Bracket here means multiply. So you e to the 4, e to the 4. All right. So that's question 7. Question 8. So I was just simplified. I'll give your answer in next notation. Alright, so minus 3 to the power of 3. So index notation. So how would you rewrite that? So what is it? Yes, it's minus. We'll just multiply it. So minus 27. Okay, we'll have a look at VII. You have minus 6 to the 3. So 6 to the power of 3, work that out first, and then you have a minus in front of it. Alright, so that's equal to 216 times the minus. Alright, question 9. Write the following as fractions. 2 to the minus 3. Alright, so I said before that you can take that minus and turn it around and put it on top. What do you get? 1 over 2 to the power of 3. Alright? It's 1 over 2 to the power of 3, which is 1 over 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 1 over 2 to 4 to 4 to 8. Alright, another one. So that was part I. Part IV. 3 to the minus 4 is equal to 1 over 3 to the 4. 1 over 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 27. 27 times 3 is, what's that, 51? 81. So 1 over 81. Question 9. Okay. So if you have, move on to IX. If you have, first of all, what's 100 to the power of a half? Look up this way. 100 to the power of a half, same as square root of 100. If I put a minus in front, that's the answer. 1 over square root of 100. X 36 power of minus a half. First of all, if it was just 36 to the power of a half, it would be square root 36, but that minus means 1 over root 36. So finish the sum up here. That was 1 over 10, and here is 1 over 6. 9, if I had xi, 16 to the power minus a quarter. So what does that mean? It means, first of all, forget about the minus. So without the minus, it's 4th root of 16. So what number multiplied by itself 4 times will give you 16. 2, isn't it? 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. The minus, if I include the minus, the 1 over. So it's 1 over the 4th root of 16 is 2. 1 over half. Alright, sorry? Alright, the 4th root of 16. What 4 numbers multiplied gives 16? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Right, x to the 81 to the power of minus 3 over 4. Right, so we'll do it step by step. First of all, we'll forget about the minus. And we'll forget about the 3. And we'll start off with a quarter. So first of all, what is the 4th root of 81? What do you think? 3. The 4th root of 81 is equal to 3. Now what happens? What does this 3 mean on top? 3. It means to the power of 3, which is 27. And what does the minus mean? Over 1. Alright. Do you understand that? You don't have to take it down, it's been recorded. Yeah?
Sorry, could you write it as a brackets 3 and then quote 4 to root?
Yeah, can write it again. Yeah. So we can put it straight away because of the minus, we can put 1 over. Alright? And then the 3, the number on top is the power, alright? And the 4 is the... Alright, so do inside the brackets first. And you get 3. Now 3 to the power of 3 is 27. Alright? So xi, we'll do another one. So 8 to the power of minus 2 over 3. So the minus, first of all, means 1 over. And 8, first of all, we'll do that's the square. 2 on top means squared. And the 3 means, which root? 3. The 3rd root. So what 3 numbers? So 2 times 2. 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. So the 3rd root of 8 is 2. 2 squared is 4. That's the answer, 1 over 4. And we'll have a look at the last one. XIV, so we've got 9 minus 5 over 2. First of all, the minus again means 1 over 9. What number is outside of this bracket here, the exponent? 5. And what's the square root? 2. Alright, so now the square root of 9 is? 3. 3 to the power of 5 in the calculator. That's 27, 3 to the power of 5.
243.
Nice. 243. Okay.